Hi everyone, welcome. Ryan here. How's it going? Today I'm going to be talking about lasers and why they are so handy in relation to having for your business, your woodworking business, and in particular this one here, it's the Two Trees. It's the TS2, it's a 10 watt laser, mid of the range, as in power. You can get 5 watt, 10 watt, 20 watt. This is perfect for most people, to be fair. So they're not only just for fun, cutting out shapes, making kids games, all that sort of stuff. They will have a purpose. If you buy one for your business, your woodworking business, I can guarantee you can make it work for your money. So if you want to find out whether a laser is worth buying for your business, you better stay tuned, watch to the end, and I hope you enjoy. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 templates. I'm going to be showing you a finger pull handle template. I'm going to be showing you a radius corner template. And I'm also going to be showing you an actual cutout in the middle of a piece of wood. So if you needed a shape cut out inside a board, for example, then you're going to want to use a template for that, aren't you? When we make templates, obviously in the workshop, a lot of templates are router work. You need to do a bit of router work. You need to do freehand cuts to get curves, to get certain radiuses. This is where the laser comes in so handy because it's got pinpoint accuracy. It is simply load up the software. Software is pretty easy to use. There's lots of tutorials on YouTube, which I learned pretty quickly. The software that I'm using is Lightburn. It can be free. You can get a free trial, but after that, I think you pay 40 to 50 pounds for the year. And it's fantastic. It's really, really simple. You literally just type in whatever you want to do. You've got tools that do arcs, that do circles, that do shapes, writing, and you literally just draw it out on your little display, as you can see here. And then you literally just put your sheet material in your laser and press go and it'll cut that out. It is really, really that simple. You know, you can have a template made up in 5-10 minutes once you get to grips with using a laser. All of these templates can be used with a router, with a flush cutter, or a router table, whichever way you prefer. Router table I prefer because you can suck up all the dust. You've got your extraction set up to the router. Check out this video if you want to see a few more of those details and you want to see the router table in action, but it's pretty awesome. So this is Lightburn. I do have a video using the software, so check that out. And these are a few creations that I've managed to do. I've done lots more, but this is just a handful. We did make some coasters, birch ply coasters, and we put a picture and some writing on them. So that was my Father's Day present. We've got my logo cut out as a hanger. This was the perfect example of a laser. And we went as small, I can't find it right now, but it was about 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre in diameter, and that was how fine this laser got this logo. It was tiny. It was tiny. It's about the end of the pen there. Can't find it anywhere. And we've got business cards, so perfect. I did try it out on just a piece of MDF. You can use birch, you can use oak, you can use oak veneer. Use anything you like. These are bits that you can make. So remember, you can make other things like merch and plaques and signs for your business, other bits and pieces that you can make more money out of and put this machine to some use and get your money back. So this is the machine that we are using. It's pretty cool looking. It's probably the most funky laser I've seen. It's got a bit of laser glass, so if you look through that, it's safe for your eyes. And it's got the drag chains on it, and it is a nice looking laser. It's also quite high, so you've got a lot of clearance, whereas the other ones that you buy are a lot smaller, maybe half of that. It does have a ton of features, which I'm just gonna list those rather than just spiel them off right now, because obviously that'll make the video boring. But this thing does look the part. I need to put it to test and try it out. One other thing, it does have air assist too, which I'm not gonna be using right now because I haven't actually got an air assist pump. But that should aid the cutting and help you cut through thicker materials and burn a lot less. If you are enjoying our videos, feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, a question. I'll try and answer your questions. Become a member, why not? Do a good deed for the day, eh? Right, so let's start setting some bits up and use the laser. Right, so I'm gonna just test it just to make sure that I've got this on the correct setting. As you can see, the red one here on the screen, I'm just doing a little test cut. And here are my layers. I'm going by the red layer, 260 millimeters per minute, 100% power, 3 passes. And let's just see if those settings are good enough to cut through 6mm MDF, and then I'll be happy to make my templates. We're doing the 3 passes. Just make sure you're in a ventilated area, as I am. The windows and doors are open until we can go back into the workshop. Sean's in there at the moment, so we can't go in there right now. I have ordered a cabinet that's going to suck out all the smoke. Done. Let's check it. Let's see if it pops out. Hey, nice. I'm happy with that. A little bit burnt. We can do the settings a little bit more, maybe another pass. But I'm happy that we're going to go through the 6mm, and I think 6mm is the perfect thickness to make templates out of. So let's get over here. This blue one here is our first template. Forget about the red bit, that was my test. And that is the inside of our drawer. So we've got the radius there. I'm going to go by that, cut that template out first. Let's go ahead and press the frame on this one. And that is showing you where this template is going to be. Just using a bit of scrap 6mm. And I've just missed all the other bits and pieces that I've tested with. Yeah, good to go. I think we're just going to press start on that. Remember, 3 passes. So let's just let it do its thing. One template down, 2 more to go. So here we have it. We've got our 3 templates made. Go through them in no particular order. Let's start with this jig here. So remember, this jig was meant to give you a cutout in the center of something. As you can see here, we are making this chest of drawers, and we need to do these little circular cutouts. And this jig is simply going to help us, enable us to do that little radius. Obviously, you can make these as big as you want, or you can make 2 of them and join them up. But as long as we get that one end done, we can flip it round, do the other end, simple, job done. So that is the first one. Really chuffed the way that came out. Second one, which I think everyone should do anyway. It's quite clever. You see these from woodpeckers. They do little radius blocks where you clamp them onto your work. So if, for example, if you are just doing lots of radiuses on lots of shelves or lots of components you want to do over and over again, or a precise corner, you clamp this on and you just run your flush cutter around this. And I've just set up 4 basic measurements. We've got a 6mm radius, 12, 18, 25. We cut through all the way for the shape, and then we just engraved the numbers on the actual corner, so I know which corner is what. So each one of these relates to a radius. Third one is for a handle finger pull. And I've made it quite small just because I didn't have lots of big offcuts. You can make this any size you like, or any depth of the handle. This would be for an actual cutout of the handle, a little finger pull for your fascia. Again, you just line this up to the top of your fascia, clamp it on, and router this out. You might want to take a little bit of the meat out first before you do with a jigsaw. And they are the 3 main templates. Remember, these machines are so versatile. They are low cost. You'll make your money back in no time at all. But other than that, 3 templates made. It just goes to show how versatile these machines are. Remember, the world is your oyster. You can do whatever you like with these things. Whatever your imagination stretches to, you can make it with these. And perfect for the workshop. Not just saying that, it really is a fantastic tool to have and to expand your capabilities in your workshop. Fantastic machines, I love them. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like and subscribe. We have a membership if you want to join that. Leave a comment. I'll try and answer any questions that you sent me. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy. Ciao for now.